welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to go ahead and review the NaturAll entire avocado collection. So I just jumped right into this video and we're starting with their cleansing avocado shampoo. This shampoo is amazing. Literally the entire avocado line is amazing, but that shampoo, it has a very like earthy smell. The full avocado collection did come with the shampoo as well as their hydrating avocado conditioner, the fresh avocado deep conditioner, and their nourishing avocado leave-in, and the pure avocado oil, as well as their avocado curling custard. So here you'll see me applying the hydrating avocado conditioner, and the conditioner also has that like earthy smell, super fresh. It just smells like super clean, and it feels like amazing. Like, as you can see me as I'm like running it through my hair, my fingers through my hair, like it feels absolutely amazing. So aside from the avocado collection, I also purchased the fresh avocado deep conditioner solution box. And what I love about this company is that they offer different formulas for your hair type. So you actually get to take a quiz, which I already knew which formula I would need based off of the type of hair I have. I do have high porosity hair, so I ended up going with the dry hair solution. So I got the dry hair solution for the avocado collection, the full avocado collection, and then the dry hair solution for the deep conditioner solution box. So here you'll see me applying the deep conditioner. Their products are all natural as well as freshly made. So the deep conditioner can last 1 week in the refrigerator and 2 months in the freezer. And you do have to keep it frozen until you're ready to use it. Within this box, you do get 2 conditioners, a leave-in serum, a shower cap, a spray bottle, and like an educational insert, as well as a hair tie. So right now you'll just see me applying the deep conditioner into sections. I just broke my hair up into 4 sections, and you'll see me applying them from root to ends and really trying to focus on the ends. And then I let it sit for I think I let it sit for like an hour. But I mean, I think it just advises that you let it sit for like 20 to 40 minutes. This avocado conditioner is probably the best deep conditioner I have ever used in my life. Like, first of all, I've never used avocado as a conditioner. And I don't know what I've been doing in my life. Like, it was definitely amazing. Now you'll see me applying the leave-in conditioner. And again, just want to emphasize how the products are sulfate and silicone-free, mineral oil-free, drying alcohol, artificial coloring, and it's not tested on animals. So this is a really great line. Like, as I'm applying the leave-in conditioner, it feels amazing. My hair feels good. My hair just feels like I have just received a blessing in my life. And like the hair guys just came down and just shined upon my life. But anyways, I'm silly. So moving right along, now it's time to apply the pure avocado oil. And so everybody that has high porosity hair knows that we can absorb moisture very quickly or easily, but we cannot retain that moisture. So we do have to seal in whatever products we are applying to our hair. We have to seal it in, and I think the pure avocado oil was great at doing that. I definitely could see the shine that it left to my hair, and overall I just feel like right now I just feel great at this point of the process. So I also purchased the Flaxseed gel edge control, which with yogurt, which you'll see a little later in the video. I know you're probably like, well, damn girl, you just purchased the whole damn collection, the whole product line. But actually, I have not. And I actually still want to experiment with their Jamaican castor oil growth serum. So that'll be next. Right now, you'll see me applying the medium hold avocado curling custard. I've never used curling custard before. I've really been a fan of them, but I must say that this product was super easy to like get through my hair. The smell all has the running same theme of like the fresh earthy smell, and I'm actually trying finger coiling, which I've never really done or ever achieved it successfully in my hair journey career or my natural hair career. So you'll see me actually finger coiling with the custard. So I'll continue finger coiling my entire head, and then I'm going to go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and separate the coils. So next morning, here we go, and it's time to separate my coil. So I am using the pure avocado oil to go ahead and separate it. Again, I've never tried finger coiling before, so really didn't know what I was doing, but I know I needed my hair to be a little bit more fluffy because I'm used to it being fluffy, but my hair was super hydrated from these products. And if you take nothing else away from this video, please know that you are going to get hydration. If you're someone that struggles with dry hair, you will achieve hydration from using this product line. If anybody is interested in trying out any of the NaturAll products, I will leave a link to a 20% off coupon for you to try out the products if this is your first purchase. So definitely go into my description box to access that link if you do want to purchase any products from the NaturAll Club. So you can see I'm super excited. I really love my hydration. I'm feeling good, and I just love it overall. So thank you guys for watching my videos. As always, I appreciate it. Please leave comments in the description box if you've ever tried NaturAll products, and always leave me any comments about any new products that I can possibly try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. Until next time, see you in the next one.